Hello there. In this video I'm going to show you how you can personalize the three hearts earrings a little bit more by adding in the letters B and A and just placing them inside the hearts. So if I just open up the three hearts, there's the earring. Now looking at it at the moment, it is actually upside down, and that's kind of the default position. So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to rotate the earring about the x-axis. I'm going to basically just flip it upside down, and the way we can do that in Fluid Designer is to press R on the keyboard, X to limit it to the x-axis, and you can see the red line appearing there, and I want to rotate it 180 degrees, so rather than use the mouse, if I type 180, that will just completely rotate it. So when I view from above now, I've got my hearts the right way up basically. I'm just doing that before I add any letters, because I know the letters are going to come this way up as well. So, but we could have done it later. So what I want to do now is I want to, let's have a look. I'm going to use the Harrington font in the alphabet fonts. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this letter B and this letter A. Now if I drag and drop these onto the workspace, my earring will disappear. So rather than drag and drop, once we've got an object on the workspace, we have to add an existing object, we need to use append. So if we go to File and Append, and if we just go up through the menu system first of all, we want to go up until we get to Groups folder. So this lists all the folders that are on our system at the moment, and we're going to use the Patterns Alphabet Harrington fonts. And first of all I'm going to add font B, and I want to add the object. So it's Harrington font B object, and I'm going to append it. That means to use an object that already exists on my network and just add it to the current file. So that's the letter B there, and I'm going to do the same with A now. So if I just go to File and Append again, and I just go up through the menu system, I'm in Harrington fonts here, so I want Harrington font A, and I need the object. So it's Harrington font A object, and just append it from the library. So I can then reposition that wherever I want, but obviously it does need to sort of overlap in some ways for it to 3D print. Now you can see at the moment that the thickness of the B and the A are different from the earring, but we're going to change that. But first of all, what I'm going to do is, with the A highlighted, if I hold down the Shift key and click on the letter B and then go to Tools, Object Tools and Join, that's joined those two objects together, and you notice that there's a yellow line around both of them now. And with the B and the A highlighted, I'm going to join them to the earring, and it's important to do it this way round just to maintain the original shape of the earring. So the B and the A, the cross section, should change to the same as the earring when I join them together. So I'm holding down the Shift key and selecting the earring. So I had the B and the A highlighted. Now I'm highlighting the earring, and if I go to Tools, Object Tools and Join, the B and the A will join to the earring, and that's my finished earring now. If I look at the thickness of it, you'll see it's 1 by 1. If I wanted to change the thickness, I could always click on here, and you'll see the thickness changing. It's 2 millimeters thick, 3 millimeters. Whoops. Yeah. Where are we? Yeah, 3 millimeters thick, 2 millimeters thick, and 1 millimeter thick. Then I'm going to leave it at the thin one because this is an earring, and we want to keep the weight quite low. So there's our BA 3-art earring, which we could 3D print. And that's basically all there is to it. Thank you.